Today marks the culminating part of the public safety basic recruit course, where these 436 police trainees finally hurdled the rigorous phases of training. For almost 11 months, NCRTC had been a crucible to prepare these 436 individuals for the more challenging tasks ahead. Spot corrections were immediately imposed and appropriate sanctions were outrightly given for them to be consistently aware of the various repercussions of their actions, and so that they might be more cautious and responsible when they perform their duties and responsibilities as members of the Philippine National Police. I now formally declare the members of PSBRC Batch 2021-02 Alpha Masarig, composed of 436 patrolmen and patrolwomen who have successfully completed the prescribed program of instruction for PSBRC graduates effective this date.
Today's culminating activity is a symbol of change. Why change? Remember, before you raised your hand and took your oath, all of you were civilians. Your transformation is due to the regimented life you have experienced inside this training center. They honed you to be the best version of yourself that is needed as you will be a full-fledged police officer soon. Graduation is also progression and moving into a new adventures.
I hereby accept the 436 members of the Public Safety Basic Recruit Course Batch 2021-02 Alpha Masarig, who successfully passed the program of instruction of PSBRC in good physical and mental condition. I hereby affix my signature this 15th day of October 2022, and I sign.
Congratulations to everyone. Again, the most important part is thank you very much. God bless us all.